What up, y'all? It's your man Wayne Train back with another joint. And today I finally got my wireless Bullets buds from OnePlus. Also ordered a couple other items. The regular Bullets wired headphones and a screen protector. So yeah, man, let's go ahead and get right up in this box, man. I've been waiting for these Bullets buds, but got all the little joints in here. So what we got? We got your regular Bullets wired headphones, nicely boxed. Feeling that. OnePlus is always with it, killing it with the packaging. A tempered glass screen protector here. Maybe I'll do a quick install. And then, last but not least, the wireless Bullets buds. $69 for these retail. Just off rip, just for what they seem to be and what they probably are. I'm gonna just assume that this is gonna be a great value. Definitely gonna test them out here real quick. But yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this open. Man, I wish they had these at the launch event, man. I would have been had these, but you know, as regular folk, we gotta wait with the rest of them. So, oh, damn. See, OnePlus be killing it with the packaging. So, just off the bat, I didn't even these aren't the headphones, obviously. The headphones are still right there, but that's creative. I'm feeling that. This is I'm a hoarder of boxes, so I'm probably gonna be keeping this box. And then on the other side, you got your carrying case, and then another subtle card with all of your bud. I don't know if you can see, but all your different bud sizes and everything. So let's go ahead and get it going. Let me start with the case. If I can get it out. Luckily, it's made of rubber, but oh yeah, inside that, your USB-C cable to match your OnePlus case. This is a magnetic clasp too, so that's even better. See? Dope. Now look, if you remember, I did do a video on the OnePlus, or not the OnePlus, but the Beats X. Almost everything about the Beats X when it comes to or about the OnePlus or these Bullets buds are like a direct copy of the Beats X. And I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad. Let's just see if they did it better. So far, so good. The case is a lot better than the one that they included with the Beats. So, and don't forget, $69. So this is what you get for $69. So Beats X were like $150 retail. So there's a box within a box. So we're gonna pop this box open now. Whoever designs these boxes are some creative people. But on the inside now, into the headphones, you got some instructions over here. Just pop those open. Pretty big instruction manual. Not gonna mess with that. Inside that, another booklet. Yo, they tucking it in, man. They tucked it in. There's a lot of stuff in here, so I'm happy, man. This is dope. Okay, and then the wireless headphones as right here. Let me go ahead and get these up out of here, man. So far, the quality looks pretty damn good. My Beats X have turned into my work headphones. These will not be that at all. So, go ahead and get them out. Bam. So here we are. The Bullets Buds Wireless. Now I do want to kind of compare sound quality when it comes to these versus the wired joints, but I'll get into that in a second. But just off rip, I like the quality. You got your USB-C charging port, charging port right there. What else we got here? Oh, the on. Power button right there. Then I'm assuming that's to turn it on. We're gonna try though. They are lightweight though. I will say that. Is this metal? I had to test it with my teeth. I can't really tell. Okay, they are metal. They feel really light for it to be a metal housing. The Beats X are pretty, like, they're not heavy, but they don't feel as light. So these ear tips are entirely too small for my ears, so I'm about to pop these off and not use the wing tips because I ain't with it. I'm gonna go ahead and just pop in the big boys. And hopefully they stay in my ear without the wing tips. So, and then we'll get her paired up and test out these sound. Right, let's go. So apparently these feature some energy tube technology stuff. I have no idea what it is. We'll see how it sounds compared to these other headphones, but phone, you can get her paired up. That'd be dope if they had like some kind of W1 shit like on the Beats X, but they also do clasp. I knew that. They clasp together. But apparently these got some functionality with the clasp, but let's go ahead and check it out. But going to pairing, but I'm gonna pair a new device. Look at that. Oh, do they have some kind of technology on here? Because that was dope. My Beats didn't do that. Or my Beats didn't do that when I connected them. But so apparently as soon as you turn them on, it already kind of discovers them off rip. So we're gonna go right here into the setup. Autoplay. I don't know if I want that, but so I guess we're good to go. You get your battery level indicator now. You don't get that with every headphone. I gotta figure out what technology has to be in there for that to work. But let's go ahead and test them out real quick. All right, we in there. Let's go. Playing some scissor. Say you got a girl. Why you want me? Why you want me when you got a girl? The feeling is reckless. I know when it's selfish and probably saying the wrong words 'cause I can't hear myself. Is you coming home? Is you out with her? I don't care if long as you here by 10:30, no later than drop them drawers. You know what I want. My girl is your girl, that's your girl. Her, that's her girl too. My girl, that's your girl. Her, that's her girl. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, I just keep them satisfied through the weekend. I know I said him. I meant her. Chill out. Alright. Let me turn these joints down. Alright. So, keeping in mind the price, $70. These are 100% a steal, especially if you got yourself a OnePlus 6. These are definitely a steal. If you can, cop yourself two. I don't know. Do what you gotta do. But I am gonna compare these to my Beats real quick. Let me go back and make sure. Check these out one more time. Okay. Know what you want. Okay, hold on. So I wanna let me see. All right, when you clasp them together, they pause. Unclasp. Actually, what it is. When you clasp them together, it actually turns them off. All right, y'all. Sorry about that. So what I was saying, I gotta compare the Beats X to these headphones. So hold on. All right, sorry about that. So now I'm about to compare the Beats X real quick to the Bullets wireless. So I'm connected right now. If they ain't dead. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. So I will say off the bat, I believe that the Beats X sound just a little bit better, but do they sound $80 better? That I do not agree with. I do need a little bit more time with the Bullets wireless. So right now it's just off of first listen, few songs. I haven't tried multiple different tracks or anything, but in the songs with the bass, a lot of music that I listen to is heavy bass. I do believe that the Beats X do a little bit better of a job of that in that department. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna find out, but and I'll come back with that one.
Yo. Sorry about that abrupt end. Had some problems recording, so I decided to split up a couple of my videos. I didn't want this one to be too long, but anyway, it's your man Wayne Train. Hit your boy up on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, the YouTube comment section. Most definitely like, subscribe. I really would like to hear from y'all. So yeah, man, it's your man Wayne Train. I'm out.